Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Amazon Reviews and welcome to this KY02 True Wireless Earbuds Honest Review. Do you want to buy any wireless earbuds? If yes, then complete my review first. It's one of the brand new wireless earbud and it's perfect for the true music lovers. Okay, let me complete this review first, then you can make the right decision. My reviews contains all the top information about these earbuds. In my reviews, I will discuss all the important features, important facts of these earbuds and that you want to know about it. So guys, if you really determined to buy these wireless earbuds, then complete my review first. After that, you can realize does it worth to buy or not. So guys, let me complete my review first and let me introduce myself. I am Raju Bhadra, an affiliate marketer, and over 9 years I am working here. So guys, now I will discuss about this KY02 wireless earbuds. Does it worth or not? Okay. So guys, let's complete this review first. And if you like this review, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you want to get these wireless earbuds, then check my video description. Okay guys, you see here all the summary of KY02 wireless earbuds. Okay, at the first this it's the product is Bluetooth 5.0 True Wireless. Then the brand is Elidex. Then the connectivity technology is wireless. Then the color is black. Play time 36 hours. It's used. Uh, it's the brand new wireless earbuds. Okay, I will discuss every all the key points about this product. Okay, then the price is 29.99 bucks. Okay, the weight is 3.52 ounce and it's the guarantee warranty and it's yes 18 months warranty you will get. Then the customer review, it's amazing, 5 out of 5, and the discount is available if you use this promo. Okay, now I will discuss why people love this earbud. Okay, let's check it. You see here, it's the True Wireless. This Bluetooth 5.0 True Wireless earbuds compatible with Apple or Android. Okay, it ensures ultra fast pairing with other device, with your device, with your cell phone, then receive data and instruction accurately. Okay, and it's reduce the call and music dropouts. It's the main uh, main the problems, main the obstacles of any wireless earbuds. Okay, it's call drop and music drop, but in this wireless review you don't need to face it again. Okay, then charge on the go up to 6 hours of playtime with single charge and an additional charge increase 30 hours with the included portable charging case. Okay, then the super sound quality, it's most important in the case of any headphones. Okay, the provide clearly superior sound with powerful deep bass. Then the sound quality with wireless headphones is as excellent as CD. Okay, then made for workout. It's another master key point of this wireless earbud. It's made for workout. Incredible, comfortable, and secure fitting when you are workout. Okay, like gym time, like playing time, running, walking, hiking, driving, meeting, etc. Okay, and easy task control. It's another amazing point. The task control, most of the Bluetooth headphones touch control doesn't work properly. Okay, then easy to control with tap and press touch panel. Then this earbud controls functions allows hand-free calls, media playback, activate voice assistant, and many more. Okay, now I will discuss about the key features. Okay, the key features of this wireless earbuds. Okay, I manage all the points. I collect all the features here. This is truly wireless sport-free headphones. Okay, it's designed for sports and music lovers. Okay, just your music with no wires to get in the way. Okay, then secure and comfortable. Headphones come with this three size of softness, flexible silicone seat, so you can find the right fit for your ear and the most suitable ear tips size for secure fitting and keep the ears comfortable. Okay, then true wireless for workout, sports, busy office, or anywhere. Immersive sound and built-in microphone. It's included. Then the Bluetooth 5.0 ultra-fast connection and easy touch control interface. Okay. Then 36 hours long battery life. It provides up to 6-hour battery per charge and long enough to power you through almost any workout. Okay, then acclaimed immersive sound, music, video, voice control, always sound balanced at the listening level, so you can focus on your music and you can work out. And it's another most important feature, the water and sweat resistant. Okay, this earbud designed to resist moisture from sweat and water, so you don't fear about water when you wear these earbuds. Okay, now I will discuss the most asked question about this earbud. Okay, how it works. Okay, it's one of the question. It's really great accessories for your phone. Voice control is awesome, easy to pair with your phone. Then just touch to accept your call and change music. Then really comfortable with ears. Okay. Then thoughts about the sound quality. Excellent sound quality, best noise collection, almost everything. Okay. It's excellent sound quality. And what can you do with it? It's perfect for running, walking, hiking, driving, meeting, gym time, your playing time, etc. It's fitting for your ear, so you can do anything. Then the sound quality is fine. Then you can concentrate your task and you can listen music or you can talk with other people using these earbuds, these Bluetooth earbuds. Okay. Is there any warranty? Yes. You will get 18 months warranty and quick response and user friendly customer service. So here is 100% risk free. Okay, guys. Now my final opinion. Okay. Do you want to know my final opinion? It's highly recommended. Why? This headphone is affordable and feel premium. The sound quality is great. It's easy to use and the touch control is awesome. It charges fast. Then it's comes with a bag and a magnetized charging case. And finally, it's definitely recommended. And if you want to learn more about this Bluetooth headphone, this wireless earbud, then check my video description and learn more about it. And if you want to get access it, you can get it. Okay. So guys, if you get all the top information about this KY02 Pro wireless earbuds, then like this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel to get a lot more and more Amazon products, amazing review. I provide all the informative support. I all informative features, informative points I indicate inside my review, and I hope you can make the right decision after completing this review. And in this case, this KY022 wireless earbuds is perfect. It's highly recommended for using a Bluetooth earphone. It's perfect. It's a brand new people's choice earbud. I hope you enjoy it. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Bye. And check my video description.